How to change date of birth on X account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. You will land to the For You page. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now hit towards this option of profile. With that you will land to your profile page. Now click on this option of edit profile. From here you can easily change your date of birth. Over here you will find this section of birth date. Click on it. This can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. Click on continue. Now you can make changes to your date of birth. Also, you are able to customize who can see this. You can set it to public, followers, people you follow each other, or only me. So once you are done, you can click on this option of continue. Now click on save. Click on confirm. With that, you have just changed your date of birth on X account. This is how you can easily change your date of birth on X account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.